Guys, welcome to Bridgerton Investment. So today market has been in a very good mood today, as of lot of good bull news, lot of good bull news around, but is it really a bull news? Be honest with me. I don't think this is such a good of a bull news. If I'll go to the main news. First of all, I'll just go from beginning to end. I'll follow a sequence like this. Why has market rose today? After the announcement of the India-US trade deal on Monday last week, both countries released a joint statement on Friday outlining a framework of the Indian interim trade agreement, which is the first step towards the bilateral trade agreement. So what happened was a joint, I think around Friday or Saturday, bilateral statements were released from both the countries. That whatever what that was said on when was the trade deal announced, I think Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm not so sure. When around that day, whatever said that was said in a written, like in a joint agreement. So written agreement that was announced. However, it just validated the thing which you just said, and market already reacted bullish to that. So I'm not sure that it's kind of any bull news. Still, even if it is a written form, that still is not a great trade deal. Yeah, you got a good news. Like I said, market is obsessed over one thing only. This Nifty wants one thing, and that is a trade deal. But just that word trade deal, market will go insane. That is not just with Nifty as well. Indian stock, entire market, world market right now. They just want a trade deal. A market will go on an insane bull run. Similarly, that is what has happened, because the trade deal was not, let me be honest, the India's negotiation part was terrible at this point. I am surprised to see, many are agreeing to it. India's trade deal was very bad. They were firm on 2-3 months ago. They were firm on 2-3 months ago that they will stop buying. They will stop buying Russian. They will never stop buying Russian oil, as they have helped us a lot. Now Reliance, which is one of the biggest. I will if I can open that. I cut that. Yeah. Reliance, which is one of the biggest. Biggest supplier of them were Russia, and now Russia is saying we are not buying. Now Reliance is saying that we are no longer they are stop buying Russian oil, or that we have trimmed down our Russian oil, but Reliance resumes buying Venezuela oil. That validates something, that India, Modi has agreed to whatever Trump said, and funny fact is, now whatever US sells on India, it will be at a very cheaper price compared to last time, and demand for Indian products will diminish even more. However, the Indian products will be more expensive in US. So you see the deal here. The trade deal is now very cheap, very bad. That I cannot understand why market is reacting good to the trade deal. Was not great, and we have looks, and from the looks of that, it's confirmed that India has compromised everything on the trade deal, not US. And there is even Trump is now threatening as well. Trump is even threatening India as well. If they start buying Russian oil again, we will roll back the tariff to 25%. So, like I said, India, the trade deal was very bad. India trade deal was very bad. Now they have cut back the Russian oil purchase, which is not good. Russia, who has supported us a lot, and we are not agreeing. We are just not agreeing to US at that point. That just makes us that the trade deal was very bad, because there was it doesn't support anything of India. However, if you have asked me, like, if would you take a swing trade, like, I'll just say, I have changed my trading strategy a bit. I'm not sure whether I showed you my trading portfolio, but this is my investment portfolio. This is my investment portfolio for today. SBI did one big reason for this big jump up is SBI. I was buying SBI at all levels. I was buying SBI at all levels. Where you remember when I can open that to 3 years, when was this crash? Yeah, this was the crash. I bought the dip here. Exact dip I bought here, because I knew SBI will be a bullish in long term. Trump's trade deal is just a short term noise. I knew it will be a good deal in the market, because SBI with this good results, look at this result. Normally, if this good profits, it's still undervalued. That means to say that SBI is still a good deal at around 1,000. It may even go to 10,000. I wanted to now, give us a bonus share. I wanted to give some bonus share, because I want to enter some good deal with SBI. My next target for SBI is around 995. I'll be interested in buying more of SBI. However, I'm not buying any more of SBI right now. I've got good gains from SBI. I get good gains from SBI, but I'm still want to get a good deal from SBI, because it killed SBI killed its earnings, and now I'm sure everybody will now retailers will jump to SBI like anything. It will push to 2,000, 3,000, 3,500 maybe in the long term, but I'm sure SBI will reach that amount in the long term if everything seems good, because its loan business is one of the best in the Indian banking sector. No bank can match its loan business. I have heard a lot of good reviews, feedbacks on it. I invest as a founder, not as an investor. I think this is part of my company. That's why I treat investments, my investment. I'm the part of the company. I'm paying paying money to the company to buy some machinery. Although I'm not investing that good, because I'm limited to how much I earn. I'm not that good of. I have no good investors yet. I'm investing my salary into I'm investing majority of my salary into my trading and investment account. And coming to my trading position, I have changed my trading strategy a little bit. I will be entering longs and short for intraday setup. But intraday setup, I have curated some good portfolio which I would be interested in going long, and which I would be interested in going long, because I don't like FNO. I hate FNO. I don't like FNO. I much rather stick with trading, because an Indian FNO is manipulated like anything. So I just want to stick stupid company which I would short, good longs, company which are overvalued right now. But overvalued right now, not good for investment, but I just want to trade it right now for some time, just for intraday setup trade. Eternal is there, Pine Lab is there, Kotak, and I'm willing to go long for long term on these three companies in future. We'll see. I'm waiting for a good price, but why I'm going even long and short, because I want to increase my capital a bit. So when Nifty do present me a good deal, I can buy. I can buy in a good. I can buy in a good prices. I can buy in a good prices. So that's it from me today. Even I have added silver. Silver I added because silver is. I wouldn't hold silver for long term. I would just hold silver just for trading purpose. Silver is extremely volatile. It's kind of like become like a Bitcoin kind of an hype. I would be interested in buying more. I would be interested in buying more silver. Silver for trading purpose. I would earn it, but not right now. I just want to save, get some, not get prevent or presents me a good deal, because silver is extremely volatile. It has to like a Bitcoin. It's very confusing. It's like, if you own one silver, you own 100 ounces of it. It's very I don't understand silver at all, so that is why I'm not going into silver. But silver is good for long term, but not at this elevated level. I would be interested in buying 12 rupees, 14 rupees, 12 rupees, 14 rupees, that's it. I'd be interested in buying silver ETF. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.